Right, so meanwhile, Kenyans should see more retailers drop the price of unga in the next 2 days after the Ministry of Agriculture and majority of millers to take up the program. KTN's Noah Kipkemboi explains how the government will implement the contentious maize subsidy program that left several millers in bankruptcy in 2017.
At an initial cost of 8 billion shillings for the maize flour subsidy, the government has exuded confidence with more millers signing up to supply the subsidized flour.
Yesterday, 70 millers had already shown interest and signed for the program. And we expect more because the registration is still going on even as we speak. We have still not closed the registration because we want to have as many millers as possible participating in this program.
Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Peter Munya called on Kenyans to avoid panic buying, noting that there will be steady supply of unga.
Because remember, the program will succeed if we do the normal buying. There is no need of panicking and going to buy and stock maize flour, because government is committed to ensuring that there is steady supply of maize. The maize millers, we have already negotiated sufficient quantities with the government of Zambia, and we are working with millers to be able to buy.
The retailers with an initial stock bought pre-subsidy will still lower the prices of the unga and liaise with their millers for compensation of the amount lost. 750 tons of maize flour was in circulation pre-subsidy in the formal sector.
We already took stock of the quantities that are already in retail outlets, and we will be paying for them. So it is for the retailer to liaise with their millers.
Yes, there has been stock that was received at higher prices. The subsidy allows the millers to work with the retailer to recover a credit note to be able to sell the stock that is in-house at that recommended price. So it's not going to be flour that is special flour that is at 100 bob. It is actually the same flour that was in stock that now changes price from whatever it was to 100 shillings.
The challenge now remains with the small-scale millers who are not under any association, especially in rural setups.
Kwa sababu duka pia siko huko kwa vitongoji. Kuna duka za kuuza mahindi rasmi siko huko. Wataweza kununua ile unga ya chini. Na ni kweli kuna huyo pia alikuwa na unga yake ambayo ni ya bei ya juu, ambayo hajui afanye naye nini. Kwa hivyo tutafikiria kama wizara, bwana katibu, tuanze kufikiria ni vipi tunaweza kufikia hawa na ni jinsi gani tunaweza kuwasaidia.
With 80% of the millers on board this subsidy program, the government is very confident in the next 2 to 3 days, almost all retailers will be selling a 2 kg packet of unga at 100 Kenya shillings. But they've said if the consumers find a disparity in prices, then they've established a command center, 0800 724 891 as the number to call with any disparities. Noah Kipkemboi, KTN News, Kilimo House, Nairobi.
Thank you so much, Noah Kipkemboi, for that report. I'd like us to have a look at a report concerning the forthcoming general elections.